Hi, I'm Bruce Lessels from Zor Outdoor on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, talking about choosing and setting up a campsite. But I'm going to take the rainfly, fold it kind of in half, lay it out on the ground, fold it depending on how it fits best into the stuff sack, maybe fold it in half again. And I like to roll that up into a nice small package as well, trying to keep leaves and other debris off of it. So there's the rainfly all rolled up. Now to take the main tent down, I'm going to disconnect the poles from one end. And then I'll just pull one pole out at a time. And take down the poles. And these poles are all shock corded together so they stay together nice and easily. And you just fold them up like that into a nice small bundle. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the tent that I did with the fly. And I want to make sure all the doors are closed, at least part way, and that they're not still tied open. Now I'll lay the tent out. Doesn't hurt to leave some of the stakes in just to keep the tent so it'll stay more rectangular. And now fold the tent in half or in thirds. And I'll roll that up. And I often like to roll the tent poles in with the tent itself. Then I put the tent inside the stuff sack. The fly goes in next to it. And gather up all the tent pegs. And I'm ready to take it home.